UMHS operates one of the newest and most technologically advanced campuses anywhere.
We have by far the best learning facilities in the Caribbean. Our campus is not only comparable, but superior to some of the best medical schools in the United States.
The technology here on campus is awesome. All of the classrooms have LCD displays as well as projectors that are in high definition.
Regardless of where you sit, you're always going to have a nice view of the monitors.
On campus, students have either direct access or wireless access to the University Learning Management System, which contains all the faculty PowerPoints, class notes, objectives, assignments, and more.
I have to say that the technology on campus is absolutely amazing. The same information that we have on campus is also cloud-based, so students can access the same information anywhere in the world through our portal.
Every classroom and laboratory contains the latest technology to enhance the learning experience.
We are in a human simulation laboratory here, where our students work with human simulators along with professional patients.
The Human Simulation Laboratory is equipped with both high and low fidelity simulators, including iStan.
What do you hear?
It sounds like there's some backflow, some regurg.
Some regurg, yeah.
They can be programmed to present the signs and conditions of virtually any illness.
Okay, what's happening to the EKG?
Ventricular fibrillation.
He's having VFib, so what do we want to do?
Defibrillate.
We want to defibrillate.
Here, students are responding to a patient having a heart attack.
Analyzing heart rhythm. Deliver shock now. Press the
Clear,
orange button
hand
now.
off, shock, administering shock.
Shock delivered.
Just the ability to practice some of the different skills like IV insertion and intubation before you actually have a patient in front of you is really helpful. So then when you get in front of the patient, you're not nervous because you've done it so many times on a mannequin.
UMHS goes beyond simulators, affording students opportunities to interact with live, professional patients who model a variety of medical problems. This takes place in a 24-bed virtual hospital ward with working head walls.
For our students to learn how to interact and examine the patients so that they can be prepared when they go into the clinical rotations in the United States.
Right now, yeah, I'm taking Avapro, 75 mg once a day. I usually take it in the mornings because of my hypertension.
It's really amazing to actually interact with patients as a medical student and just communicate with them and have like a first-hand experience in practicing what we're learning. So we're applying what we're learning.
It's awesome, to be honest with you. I like to learn in the lab and I like to be hands-on, and everything just sticks more when you're doing it and when you're engaged, as compared to just reading words on a textbook.
Welcome to the Microbiology Lab, where we have active research projects that students are engaged in when they are enrolled in our research elective course.
Here, students are able to develop independent research projects in microbiology.
So this came from whenever we did our surface scanning of the campus. Currently, we're working on a food project, and we're actually looking for the presence of Salmonella and E. coli that is found in food products that are available at the grocery store.
This is the Terry's minor right here.
So it almost looks like part of the...
Sometimes they're bigger, sometimes it's smaller. So that's an important thing to remember for the written and for the lab.
This is our beautiful gross anatomy lab. It's very high tech. We have a camera system where the professor can zoom in on a particular structure to give instruction. It then goes up onto these high resolution monitors. We have one of these monitors over each of the tables where we have the cadavers.
This is the infraspinatus. This is the attachment. If I put my probe through here, there it is. That is the attachment of the spine of the scapula to the scapula.
I was shocked, even stunned, to see how well equipped it was. Even colleagues from other institutions have mentioned that this has one of the best anatomy labs anywhere.
I was really impressed with the anatomy lab in my first semester.
Some of the largest schools in the United States would be envious of our anatomy lab. And so our students have a much greater hands-on relationship with anatomy by the time they finish their first semester.
I've taught at 4 U.S. medical schools. I've also done board reviews at 20 U.S. medical schools. And the very finest labs that I've seen there are about equivalent to this.
UMHS also supports students with the latest in educational software and auto-tutorial learning. And all of this technology reaches across the campus, to the library and learning center and beyond, even into student homes through the UMHS web browser.